Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I am going to be showing you how to make the perfect frappe. Now, frappe is an iced coffee, however do not mistake it for an iced coffee. What you get in Costa Coffee, Pret, Cafe Nero, all these places, that is not even close to frappe. Frappe is bloody amazing, and I'm going to show you guys how to make the perfect one. Now, the first thing you need is water and a glass. So we're going to put a little bit of water in the glass. Then you add coffee. Now, I recommend you use Nescafe. Now, the Nescafe Classic is the perfect one to use. This is Nescafe Original, just as good. And you put as much coffee as you prefer. I like it quite strong. I'm going to put two spoons of coffee in there. Once you've done that, you need to whisk it. Now we have this machine which we picked up in Cyprus. This is the best thing to use to make the frappe. So you put it in, you whisk it until it becomes nice and thick. If it's still runny, you ain't done a good job. So there you have it, it's been whisked. You can see it's gone very thick. That is perfect. Now, if you take sugar, the best time to put it is before you whisk it. So once you put your coffee, add your sugar if you use sugar. Now, I drink my frappe black. So all I do now is add ice and water. However, if you want it milky, you add a little bit of water. I'd say maybe so much, and then fill the rest with milk. Now let's get some ice in here. The more ice, the better, especially when it's bloody hot out. And then we top it up with water. And the finishing touch, you grab a straw, give it a little stir. Let's get it nice and cold. Bloody perfect. Forget iced coffee, frappe or frappe. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. We're going to see you soon for another video. Peace.